students, as we have seen the previous topic, distribution of crops in India. So let us see the detail of this. Crops in India. Let us see the first type of crop, Kharif crop. Here whatever I am saying you, that is important. Sown, the first we have to remember, sown in June, July and harvest in October, November. So it is important. You have to remember the time of sowing and harvesting. The example: rice, flour, bajra, maize, soybean, sugarcane, cotton, groundnut, etc. Okay, so it is important only. Then rabi crops, here the sowing time October, November and harvesting time is March, April. Examples are wheat, gram, barley, mustard, tobacco. And third number there is a jack crops. So students, here you are seeing the month June, July, October, November. Then October, November, March, April. So here the time after April to June means there is a April, May, June means it is the time of jack crops. So grown in summer time, actually April, May and June. Here examples are all type of vegetables. So remember it, vegetables are not grown only in summer but also in winter season. So all type of crops. So don't see only summer, it is also in winter time. Then it is first type of means according to season. Now see according to study. Food crops. Food crops I have told you already in previous video. Mixing of this, you can see which means crop which are main components of our food, means rice, wheat, flour, bajra, gram. So here you can see rice, wheat means mix kharif crop and rabi crop. Then cash crop. Cash crop means according to name you can understand it. Crops which are not used for as a food but they are sold to generate cash or money. So these type of crops, the purpose is earning money. Example: cotton, coffee, oilseeds, sugarcane, tobacco, rubber, etc. Dear students, after this category of food crops, let us see there are crops and product, the states those who are producing such type of crops. Okay, so there are given many crops like wheat, rice, bajra, barley, and there are given states. Suppose that there is a wheat. So in wheat there is a Uttar Pradesh in first number production, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, and there are given. So first number, second number, third number, in this way it is given. Then rice, first number, West Bengal. So data, it may be old or new, so you can update yourself, but it is common. Here you can see. And bajra. After that there are many crops given here and the states, so you should learn it. Okay, then here it is to the last of the page 21. Then here position of India in production of crops, so you can understand here wheat second number in world, and highest producing state in India there is a Uttar Pradesh. So here in the position of India in world, and here there are states. Okay, so in rice India is in a second number, and the leading state is West Bengal. Jowar, India is first number, and the leading state is Maharashtra. So in this way they are given crops, position of India in world level, and states those who are producing in first number in India. So it is given in book, so you can see and learn it. Okay, so only you should remember the position of India and the state those who are leading in production. Okay, let us see next page. See here in the next page, same there is given crops, so you can read it. It is data type, so you can learn. Okay, and after that there are given 2.3 types and method of farming. So there is given in based on ancient time. Okay, they are given in ancient, modern. Okay, so in this way you know very well in ancient time the method of agriculture, it was very weak. There was no scientific tools, methods. So in this way there was very poor condition of agriculture in ancient time, and it improved in as time passed. So in modern time you can see the modern technologies you can see. After that there are given here type of farming. So I am saying you in the book which is less important. The most important things I am explaining in board, and the things which are less important I am giving you direction in directly book. Okay, so types of farming, here you can see general farming. Okay, you can read specific farming. In general farming, when an agricultural farm is organized in such a way that is land is used for the production of different crops or for agriculture based occupation, means general farming as it is happening in India. A specific farming means it is about a special crop. You can see that type of farming is called a specific farming, when or in which a farmer obtains 50% of total income or more from only one crop. So it is means there are many states, many places, those who have very good climate for a specific crops. Suppose that Gujarat that is very suitable for cotton. Okay, so it is called specific farming. Here dry farming. Dry farming, according to the name you can understand, dry means where the place where there are very less rainfall. Okay, annual rainfall is less than 50 centimeter. That is called dry farming. So in this there is no scope for many varieties of the crops. So there are very less crops grown here because there are very less rainfall. Then mixed farming, that is based on the principle that is 10 to 49% of total income should be obtained from rearing of animals. So here mixed means production of crops and rearing of animals. So there is a mixed farming. A farmer, they also produce the crops and they also rear animals. Then irrigated farming means there is a irrigation, sinchai, irrigation. So the place where there is very less rainfall or due to scientific methods, they use scientific technologies means for irrigation like tube wells, canals. So they do agriculture based on irrigation. That is organic farming. Organic farming means as you see the organic means khad, okay, based on human means animal dung in this way, vegetable, herbs, manure made of cow dung in this way. So that is organic farming. In this way, you will see, you will read all the things. Let us see the next topic, important topic, contribution of government agencies in agricultural development in board.
Go.
So let us see students, contribution of government agencies. So there is a first number, green revolution. Green means, green is due to agriculture production. So in this way there are revolution. Revolution means in the sense of changing time, scientific technologies, methods. So first number, green revolution. It happened due to use of new technology and methods in agriculture to increase the agricultural products. At that time, the need of this, it was due to increasing population. So, to fed the increasing population, it was necessary to increase in agricultural production. So, the farmers started using use of high yielding seeds. Yielding means that is a very productive seeds in the comparison of traditional seeds. Then use of chemical fertilizers to produce more and more production, and pesticides. Pesticide is variable in size to just kill the unwanted insects. Then use of agricultural machinery, tools, new irrigation, maize. Okay. Then the state, those who have adopted the green revolution, so that is Punjab, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, and many states. Those who had adopted green revolution and produced more and more agricultural products. Then white revolution. So here it is important. Then as you go in downside, it will only small points you have to remember. White revolution resulted in increasing in milk production. White means milk. So you can relate, white means milk. So it is related in increasing in milk production and other milk products, so that chocolate, dairy, dry milk, in this way. The states, those who have adopted the technology, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, etc. Then yellow revolution, that is related to edible oil seeds and other type of seeds. Only it is for your remember. Means yellow means oil seeds. So it is very for you to remember. Blue revolution, blue means water, and in water there are fishes. So blue revolution is related to production of productivity in fisheries. Then pink revolution that is related to production in fruits. Okay then, so it is for today. Next topic we will see tomorrow. It is based on weather.